Hi friends, I am Puneet Mahajan, General Manager in the hospitality industry. I have been using astrological suggestions of Ricky Chedda for almost 2 years now, and it's given me amazing results. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Vicky Chadda from Astro Healer. Today is the 10th of October. In my previous video, I had informed you that on the 11th of October, Saturn, Shani Dev, is going to become direct. From the 23rd of May, Saturn has been going retrograde and now it's time for the planet to become direct. Now, the reason for making this video is very important. Today, the 10th, you will see that Saturn has gone stationary direct, which means today there is no movement at all. It is neither going back nor it's going forward. It's called stationary, but now it's going to be direct from tomorrow onwards. You will see you will feel, if you try to understand, you will feel that there is a calmness, there is a pause in your life. See, in while explaining to you about Saturn retrogression, or for that matter, any planet going retrograde, what it actually means. The planet is slow, it's much more stronger, it's very close to the earth, the effect is more, and it is a time for introspection, especially in the case of Saturn. This was something like you are in the examination hall. Saturn was trying to test you. You were you were taking your exams, and now Saturn today says, stop. You are supposed to submit the paper today. Which means from tomorrow, Saturn is going to be back into action. Those who are going under Saraswati period or are going in the under Saraswati period, you must have seen, though all this while Saraswati was causing a lot of obstacles, hurdles. There was a money crunch, but then during the retrogression, you must have realized that you were trying to introspect. It was a recess. Saturn was giving you enough time to understand your karmas, your action in your past. And now Saturn says, have you learned anything or you haven't? Because today Saturn has pulled the paper, no more examination now. Now it is a report card in front of you. Whether you are an individual, whether you are a politician, whether whatever you are associated with, now Saturn is into action. As I told you in the previous video, the boss is back to the office. Okay, now understand the way Saturn works. See, Saturn will give you very, he'll test you. At every moment, he will test you. It's like, I call Saturn as a strict dad. He is a daddy who is very strict. He will see whether you have self-disciplined yourself. Are you into your boundaries, into your restrictions areas or no? And he's a planet of authority. See, during the time of Saraswati, or for that matter, even retrogression, it becomes quite frustrating and you feel tempted to be more flexible, and then is good for you or no. I'll give you what actually happens. See, if the time is bad, Saturn wants to know, I am making things uncomfortable for this person. Is he a tolerant person or he's taking shortcuts in life? Which means he will put maybe when somewhere you go and you'll see someone has kept his wallet or his purse over there. He will give you full chance where you will feel tempted. He wants to see, are you getting tempted or you are not getting tempted. That is why I've told many people that, during the Saraswati period, you will get a lot of offer. The friends will come to you. Are, come on, let us do business. I will invest money. You put this, you put that. If you're playing into share market, the first few transactions will be so good that then finally one day you will put a lot of money and all the money is lost. Because Saturn is one planet who does not like you to have easy money or money through gambling. And I personally, I don't know what the world feels, share market is sheer waging or it is gambling. Anyway, so today Saturn is now stationary and from tomorrow it's going to go direct. Let's see what the master has in hold for us. Stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you.